is like the 23rd of December. We are currently 2 days away from Christmas, and yes, that's my parrot making mad annoying noise. I don't know why. Every time I start to record, she starts to make really loud noises. Anyways, it's currently 12 o'clock right now. I am gonna be doing a sugar cookie recipe. I'll be making some sugar cookies, some Christmas sugar cookies, and also decorating them with royal icing. So this should be really fun and interesting. I got this recipe from Tasty, so I'll link the video that I watched down below. So if you want to make this, you can definitely check it out. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I already went to the grocery and get some 1 or 2 ingredients that I needed, like some powdered sugar, cream of fat, and some other stuff. Oh, those cookies cutter. Wow, that's novel. So I picked up those, and I'm gonna start this now. So this video will definitely be going up a bit later than usual, but I mean, hey, if you haven't already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button down below, and let's get on into this video. So the butter and sugar is well mixed and it is fluffy, so to that I am going to beat 1 large egg and 2 large egg yolks to this mixture. So the cookie dough is in the freezer. I'm gonna leave it there for 2 hours, and after 2 hours I'm gonna roll it out and I'll show you guys how it looks. Roll out of the freezer. It's a bit tough. I have my line baking tray and I'm gonna get my cookie cutter. I have 1 more batch in the oven, and I'm going to make the royal icing now.